Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back, my dear friends, on my channel Pretty and Innovative Things. I hope all my friends are doing fine and enjoying their lives. My friends, so many prayers for you. May Allah Almighty keep all of us safe and secure, and we enjoy our lives and spread happiness and positivity around the world. So my dear friends, in this video I'm sharing with you beautiful designs and pattern ideas for beautiful crochet butterflies. You know, crochet is just love. Some people are crochet crazy, and from the time I am collecting these crochet designs and ideas, I'm falling in love with these beautiful ideas because there is so much variety. I think there is nothing that we cannot made with crochet. There is literally everything that can be made with crochet, and it is so beautiful. And the best thing when you have to utilize your time in positive ways and create some artistic pieces, and the creativity of those people who do crochet on daily basis is highly appreciated. I like those people who design so many different things. For example, one of my friends from Indonesia sent me pictures of the bags that she made during lockdown, and those bags were so adorable that I was so surprised to see that people are so creative and they create so amazing and stylish pieces with crochet. So here are beautiful butterfly ideas and designs that can be used with anything. For example, if you go for these butterflies and make a few of these, then you can add these butterflies with your baby girl frocks. Even these butterflies can be attached on the headbands that are normally worn by your baby girls, or along with that these butterflies can add to the beauty of your pillow covers. And along with that there are so many other ways. Just you can just take these butterflies and paste them over some walls, around the walls in your bedroom or your drawing room or even your living room, with so many colorful ideas and so many color schemes. Bright and dark and light colors contrast according to the wall paints of your houses, and these butterflies would surely be adding so beauty and so trend as well as style to your home. This is a beautiful way to design your home in a low budgeted way. If you have a leftover yarn, then you can use it for making these butterflies. There are color scheme ideas, there are pattern ideas and design ideas for you. If you are very expert, then you can make this very easily. And see, this is a very colorful one. This can be made easily with crochet, and there is a pattern idea with pink and white. You can follow this pattern and make the ones your own with beautiful colors. Even you can go for different colors if you want, and these moths are also so beautiful. These things actually add beauty to our lives, to our world. Actually, if we make these things, we enjoy so much. Even the children enjoy these things so much. You can even use these butterflies on your bracelets that are crochet made. Even if you are designing some kind of pouches for your pencils or your pouches for some things to store, you can just attach these butterflies or stitch these butterflies made with crochet on your pouches. These would add style as well as beauty to your pouches. So these are very wonderful ideas, and these are gonna help out in making your own butterflies. For example, this one is so much cute. If you, for example, make a few butterflies of this kind and attach them or paste them on your walls, these would look so pretty. And if I imagine having so much butterflies in my room, it seems like I am sitting in an orchard and beauty is everywhere. I just feel like heaven, because butterflies are a symbol of beauty because they go on flowers. So if we paste on our bedroom walls or our living room or our drawing room walls, this would be so beautiful and look so stylish. And along with that we can attach these butterflies on our dresses for extra